Morning. Hello guys. Welcome to another stream. New all-time high yesterday on both SPY and the Q. At this point, it's a little bit difficult to trade here because we are in new territory. So what are the levels to watch today? It's gonna be pretty much pre-market levels, at least for SPY and the Q, because those two have new levels, new all-time highs. So we have yesterday high on both, pre-market high. I guess those are the important levels to watch today. And then if we get pullbacks or rejection of yesterday high, I look for intraday levels. All those levels are posted on my Discord. Also, my watch list for today: Nvidia. I have Nvidia, Microsoft, Coin, and what was the other one? I post also Apple, but I'm not looking to trade Apple. I just think Apple is important to know what's doing based on how it's been moving lately. Very strong. But I will say my main watch is Nvidia. Oh, Meta is the other one that I'll be looking at. But I think my main watch today is Nvidia and Coin. Nvidia 940. If pull back to 940, it will be beautiful if can hold that level. And we're gonna talk about a little bit what's going on with Apex, with those new rules that are not new. Those rules that have been there for forever for PAs, but we're gonna talk about that. So let's see. Kind of watching here pre-market high on SPY. Possible rejection plays there, like little scalps. And yesterday high will be our support here. Kind of yesterday high and this early, like late pre-market low. Here, this is our base. Same thing with the Q. I like that rejection on the Q, rejecting yesterday high, and it's under the VWAP. Well, let's see what Nvidia is gonna do, because if Nvidia could hold here, trying to hold yesterday high. Microsoft, it can hold 424. I think it's gonna move till 426. Ugly rejection there on Nvidia. Let's see if the Q is gonna keep rejecting here. If I see the Q keep rejecting here, I'm gonna play a scalp to the downside. But I'm waiting a little bit for Nvidia. Morning, how you guys doing? Today it's gonna be a little bit difficult because we have a lot of things going on. We have Fed speaking, we have a bunch of like bonds, auctions. Let me look that for you guys. Today is Thursday. Yeah, we have, look at all of this. We have a bunch of stuff going on today. So maybe today is just for a quick scalp and buy. A lot of stuff going on today. So we gotta be careful. And the Q is still fighting here. I like this rejection. The thing is that if we look at the 30-minute time frame, it's kind of bullish. It kind of looks like it's a flag continuation today. So I don't know. Unless Nvidia keep rejecting the VWAP. If I see Nvidia keep rejecting the VWAP, this could be a good entry to the downside. Oh yeah, that was the entry, and I think I missed that entry. I also like how SPY is rejecting here yesterday high. But holding pre-market low. So far, I think it's a little bit early for me. Like if you didn't got here on this rejection point, it's too late. Unless it loses this next support. Dang it! I missed my entry here because I was looking at economic data for today. But still early in the day, so we'll see. Do you guys like how I changed these? Now you guys can see the 3 time frames that I always use to trade. The daily, 30 minutes, and the 5. Ooh, okay. Look at Microsoft. Ooh, Google 174. Looks pretty good. If you can keep holding there. Yeah, I like Google there. Google holding yesterday high. Yeah, I got a 175 weekly for Google. My stop loss is gonna be, let's see, pre-market low. So this is what I'm looking at Google. I want to see Google holding yesterday high as support, and the next resistance, most likely the next move, it's gonna be to this all-time high. So I'm looking for Google to boom to and retest all-time high.
That, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that.
Yeah, we're pushing. Okay, so now we're pushing, but I want to see the Q breaking this high here. That's yesterday high. That's the level we want to see the Q breaking, and so we can play the upside. And Spice is still fighting yesterday high. Market very jumpy. Like, so far we don't have a clear direction. Ooh, that's an ugly 191 rejection on Apple. I use Trade Ovate. I use Apex. I use Trade Ovate with Apex. Yeah, we have a bunch of stuff going on for today. We have FEDs, we have bond auctions, and we have other data. So I think for today I'm just gonna look for a quick scalp, 1 or 2 and done. By the way, I'm still holding some Nvidia calls because Nvidia looks fantastic. My PT is pretty much all-time high. I don't know if we're gonna get it this week, but I'm gonna take more profits a little bit, like around 963, 964, and then maybe leave 1 or 2 runners, like most likely 1 runner, to see if it's gonna retest all-time high. Oh yeah, so okay, first of all, I want to apologize with the person that asked me yesterday about the DCA rule on Apex, because I was like, there's no way, but I had no idea what was going on, so I'm sorry. And secondly, those rules are not new. Like, one, people don't read the rules, but those rules have been there forever for the PAs. And those rules, what they did was, hey, they kind of changed a little bit the wording, but it still are the same rules as before. And those rules are only for PAs. And it's pretty much the same thing. It's just for people that abuse the PAs. So basically, it means do not go crazy adding to your losers. And the other thing is, like, their CEO came up and said, like, it's not that you have to put a stop loss on every single one of your trades. It's just for people that go huge, like go and YOLO their PAs just to find a big payout. That's it. If you're a normal trader, you don't go for YOLOs. You don't go for like full 10 mini contracts on your 50k account. Just trade like you normally trade. That's it. What I do think is a little bit sauce is that Top Stat changed some of their rules, payout rules, they didn't say anything. That's sauce. I don't like that. I don't use Top Step, but still, I don't think that's fair for everyone that use them. We have SPY still rejecting yesterday high. Same thing with the Q. But no clear direction here. Unless I see a clear hold of yesterday high, I'm not looking to play the upside. At least right now. Yeah, that's yesterday high. I want to see it breaking it and then retesting it and showing that this resistance is now acting as support. No, I haven't checked my mic. I was trying to buy some Apex 250k accounts and I couldn't. Like, I think they have so much demand that all the Tradeovate accounts are impossible to buy right now. I even have some PA from yesterday, like some evals that I passed yesterday, and I got their emails that those evals were passed. I signed it up, but I cannot pay them. I don't think I'm paying anything on Tradeovate because I had it linked to my TradingView, and I do pay data on TradingView. Okay, that's a strong break. We have Nvidia breaking out, but we'll see. The 250, I think they have a, besides the 90% off, they also have the 250 accounts discount for, I think they're even cheaper, or at $18 the evals, and if you pass that one you pay like $85 for the PA, which is pretty good, but you need to pass it till Monday. But I think they're gonna extend this offer because all the problems they have. Gonna try to pay my new PAs right now. Yeah, still can do it. I get this message. Says like I will be limited to 3 new tradeaway accounts, but I haven't gotten any today. What's the charge on TradingView? Depends on what package you get. But it's pretty cheap. I paid like $15 or $29 monthly. But I have the full package. You can get cheaper ones for like, I don't know, $9 or something like that. I don't know. Okay, I like this hole here. Damn, but am I gonna get a pullback here? Now I need a pullback. The 250 accounts, I'm not sure. I think they need to be passed when this offer ends, which is in 4 days. Pretty much, I think it's Monday. Like, you don't need to pass them by Monday. It's just you need to pass them on Monday if you want to grab that $85 PA offer. But you can take as long as you want to pass those accounts. If you yeah, but you're gonna pay the full price for the PAs. If I don't get a pullback here, I don't think I'm gonna get any trades today. Like besides that Google trade. What's the process? Very simple. They send you an email, you gotta sign that account and then pay for the PA. And then wait for them to send you the new PA. And usually it's very fast, but with their 90% off, with a 90% discount that they're doing right now, it's a mess. They have too many people buying new accounts. I like that 424 hold on Microsoft. I like this hold here on SPY. Oh yeah, definitely. I always do that. I never check for the emails. I just go straight to the signature section on their website. And yeah, I'll do it that way always. Like in the past, when you pass those PA, the evaluation account, you will be able to sign your new accounts for like at 5 o'clock or 5:30. Now it's taking a little bit longer. like today's Thursday, right? On Tuesday I passed a few PAs and I couldn't pay them. No, wait. I paid them on Tuesday night, and they were like 405, and I was only able to trade one account yesterday. And I finally got the rest of the PA accounts last night. Coinbase, I post my levels on Coinbase and what I was looking on Coinbase on my Discord. So you have the plan there. But right now Coinbase is doing nothing, so just wait for the level that I post on Discord and play that level. Google is looking beautiful. Freaking Q. It's kind of weird that SPY is doing nothing. It's consolidating at support. It's consolidating at the VWAP. I like that. I'm gonna go long here on SPY on ES. Kind of like how it's holding. I want to see it holding 530. If you cannot hold 530, I'm getting out. Is it me or SPY is just not moving? No, I don't love this. I don't like how the market is moving. Like, look those weird candles. If I have like a strong push, I'm getting out, and that's it. And yeah, I'm playing with a little bit more risk because I have a bunch of accounts now. So I'm fine if I blew up a few PAs or even evals. I'm moving too fast. Yes, I'm in Google. Hey, morning, Jesse. Thank you for being here. Yes, I did. Those rules are not new. Those rules are all rules on PAs, for PAs. I think there's a lot of confusion. I think it's better to just wait and see. Like, I'm just gonna keep trading how I trade, and that's it. Because there's nothing new on those new rules. Enter long or short. You guys see what I'm holding right now on your screen. Look at Google. That is so beautiful. I think we have a perfect entry there. Yeah, they're just saying, hey, remember these rules because some people were abusing the PAs. That's it. Am I able to fuck it? Like, I'm a woman, I can multitask. I can multitask. And I've been doing this for like the stream. I think I started the stream like a year ago now. I think it was in May last year, yeah, when I started doing the streams. How will they abuse the PA? Just like you abuse any account, you go like crazy hard with YOLOs. So let's just say I go full port on my PAs, right? And I ended up green. Then they have to pay me that, right? They pay me that YOLO. That's how you abuse your PAs. Let's just say I go with 10 contracts and I made like, I don't know, 20Ks on one play. And on that same play, it goes lower and lower and I get red and red and I keep adding and adding and adding and adding. And then at the end, I get a push and I get like 20, 15K win. That's abusing your PA. That is not like normal trading. You had no consistency there, no real trading. Okay, SPY is holding, but I don't like how weak Apple and Microsoft are looking right now, and the same thing with Nvidia. Especially Apple. Apple looks like it wants to go lower. That's an ugly rejection of 181, and it's rejecting the VWAP too. Why am I wearing a cap? Because I want to. I was drinking a espresso frappuccino, and now this is water. Come on, SPY, just boom boom here. If Meta can hold the VWAP or 476, I'd like it for a upside. Whoa, Nvidia is dead. What? Okay, I got out. Let's see how Nvidia is gonna react to 940. Thank you, Andy. Thank you. No, I stopped streaming for a month, but it had nothing to do with my back. Okay, under this level, we're pretty much bearish. That's pretty much a low. And for the Q, I will wait to break this low here. 452.40, 452.50. And if we just die here, I don't think I'm gonna have a good entry to play the downside. And I don't like how the market is moving. No, I don't trade based on any EMA. I don't use EMAs. I only use VWAP and levels. You don't have to put stop losses. Again, you don't have to do it. It's just for people that YOLO. So this is again, those rules are not new, and those rules are only for PAs. And then their CEO said there's nothing new there, and you don't have to put stop losses on your trades. It's just for if you abused their rules, you're not gonna get paid on any profit that you made just playing YOLO. That's it. So no, I'm not worried about any of that. Just trade however you trade and don't YOLO. Go for a good setup. That's it. Nothing's gonna happen if you just trade like a normal person, like a normal trader. Not like a normal person, because somebody that is not a trader, they will just YOLO. Especially if they're trading with prop firms, because it's way cheaper to trade with prop firms. No, I don't use hard stop losses. Never have, and don't think I'm gonna start doing it, because I don't want to get wicked out of my trades. I kind of like this reaction here. Nvidia is looking pretty weak. Same thing with Microsoft. Same thing with Apple. Kind of want to play a reaction here, but again, I don't like how the market is moving. Okay, I'm gonna go short here. If I see a buy like going high to this high here and rejecting and adding a little bit more. Okay. That's insane. Gonna wait and see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. I like that reaction there. If it closes strong, holding this resistance as support, I'm getting out and done. Yeah, I got out. Okay, guys, I'm done. I don't like how this is moving. Just gonna watch my Google trade and I'm done with futures. Yeah, if you can hold this high, it's a loan, but do you really trust how it's moving? Look at that. It's rejecting again. In fact, I'm gonna take a little bit of profits here on Google. Because again, I don't like how the market is moving. Gonna wait like 15 more minutes, like 10:30. And yeah, like I said at the beginning of the stream, I think today is gonna be a very difficult day to trade. Just look how these candlesticks are moving. Can you trust like any like upside or downside? Right, like honestly, the upside it's better than play the downside because SPY and the Q are very bullish. If we see the bigger time frames, like keeps making higher highs and higher lows. But at this point, after making a new all-time high, you have this craziness here. Like it's difficult to trade right now. Very choppy, weird, strong move. Kind of fighting yesterday high. We don't have clear levels of resistance because we're in new territory. I like the Meta 426. I'm sorry, 476 hold. I like that level. I like how Meta is holding. Support, and it held yesterday's low. I really like how Meta is looking for a possible move to yesterday high. And I would like to see Nvidia going back down to 940 and hold there. That will be a very good entry. But again, it depends. Like I don't trust how the market is moving. I don't trust anything. I think we have a very good trade with Google. Right now it's looking like it's tired. It's not looking too strong. It's rejecting 175.50. And that's it. I like how the Q is holding yesterday high. But again, I don't trust anything here. Especially how with the SPY and the Q, because both are moving very weird. Apple is looking pretty weak, but it's not moving. Like 190, 191 are very important levels, and Apple is rejecting those two levels. Also, it's weird that how strong the Q was before, and now the strongest one is SPY. And the Q is just doing nothing. I really like this Q hold here. Kinda thinking if I want to do my last futures trade based on this previous day high hold. Too late. If I get another pullback here and I see it holding, I'm gonna play the upside. If you just push here, I think I'll miss that play. So SPY looks like it wants to go to pre-market high. Let's see if it's gonna break that. Google looking beautiful. Meta, I still really like Meta, but I'm not gonna enter any other options here. I also really like Microsoft. Wanna go long here? Why? You're pretty much at resistance. At least on a SPY. This will be the worst entry if you wanna play long on SPY. That's pre-market high. So yeah. If you wanna play long, you gotta buy a support, not a resistance. This is the level to play quick scalp to the downside, but I don't like it because Nvidia, Apple, Google, and Microsoft are looking pretty bullish right now. I would prefer to wait for SPY to break that level and then hold it. I'm kind of mad that I missed this entry on the queue. I'm waiting for Nvidia to go to 965 to take a little bit more profits there. 964, 965, and then I'll be out of here. I need to grab more water. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Nothing happening. We have this reaction again. Google upside is so clean. Like, never broke this little uptrend here. So clean. It's pretty much the same trade that I did yesterday with Nvidia and that I'm still holding. We had daily uptrend. We have a retest of yesterday high and hold, and then boom boom. Pretty easy, very like technical analysis 101. Nvidia is a mess. Again, I'm waiting for 940 or 940 to enter for a bounce there, or a 964, 965 to take more profit from my Nvidia trade from yesterday. And 176 for Google to be pretty much all out, but a one runner. Find like you're a mess. Same thing with Nvidia. I really like Meta and Microsoft, but I don't know if I want to put more money on the line today. But I love that 476, 475 hold on Meta and the 423 on Microsoft. 422, 423. Okay, you're out. I'm not taking any BS from anyone. This is my stream, so if you don't like it, don't come here. Does Microsoft look to be rejecting pre-market high? Yeah, pre-market high is pretty much the same level as yesterday high. Thank you, Mark. Oh, remember to like the video. Remember to like, if you like the video, just click like. I never understand how you can go around and just making like rude comments, even if it is online. I know that people hide behind their screen. Like, you can have a lot of problems or being very sad to be around and just making rude comments. Even if when I watch a video like on YouTube or anywhere and I don't like the video, I just go to the next one and that's it. I don't understand it. Same thing with people on Instagram. Like, sometimes I like checking comments on funny videos because they're pretty funny. Sometimes the comments are more funny than the videos, but like on any account I see so many like rude and mean comments. Like, I don't understand how people do that. No, it's free on Trade08. It's so weird. It's so weird. Thank you. Yeah, I know. Yeah, this looks like a clean rejection. But again, I don't know if I want to trade that. This is why I don't love the downside, even though I can see like a clear rejection of pre-market high. One, we have a very strong daily uptrend, right? SPY and the Q on the bigger time frame keeps making higher highs and higher low. We have a clear sign here that the SPY didn't want it to go lower, so basically the upside is stronger than the downside. And then we have Google, Apple holding pretty good, like Google being super strong. We have Apple holding very good, even though it's at a very strong resistance. We have Nvidia holding, Microsoft too, Meta too. So is anything saying that we're gonna pull back stronger than these little like 3 candlestick? Not right now. Unless we see Nvidia dying here, but so far it's doing nothing, just consolidating. So when we have markets like that, I think it's better to be more patient and wait for pullbacks and play the upside continuation. So on SPY, I'm waiting for either a pullback here to this 530.20 level and the VWAP, or waiting to break this level here and we play the upside continuation. Yeah, anyone took Microsoft? Microsoft was very, very clean hold. Well, yeah, that's the level to look at now. Want to see a break-in and holding. And we have a new all-time high. Nvidia again with a reaction. So far, it's kind of holding, kind of. Okay, I'm gonna try this loan here. Last trade of the day. If I get stop out, that's it for me. You wanna see it holding here. I don't know how to explain that because I'll be showing my entire account details and online, and I don't want to. But you can find a lot of videos to how to trade with groups. It's very easy, very simple. If it's not working with you, most likely you either not selecting you either have maybe you didn't make the group right, or you are not selecting the group in one of the accounts that are inside that group, or you're not. Let's just say you have a group with 5 accounts. You need to put 5 accounts out. I'm sorry, 5 contracts here when you're buying, because it's 1 contract per account. So if you have a group with 10 and you want to buy 1 contract per account, you need to put 10 here, not 1. Most of the time that's what happens with people being new using Trade-O-Bait groups. Okay, just getting ready to sell most of my contracts on Google because it's about to hit 176. Apple not looking good. That's definitely gonna mess my trade here. I'm going long on Meta. My stop loss is gonna be under 475. I got the 475 contracts. Yeah, weeklies. My stop loss is 474.70. If cannot hold that level, I'm out. Yeah, definitely like this hold here. I would like to see this candle closing stronger than with a wick at the top. Well, we'll see. Yeah, it sucks, but it's part of the game. What was that? That was a weird jump. I do not like that. Warning. Nvidia is starting to look pretty good. It's flagging. Okay, we have Google pretty much a 176. Yep, taking most of my profits here. Beautiful trade. That was perfection. It's like 60-70% up. Yeah, 60% up. That was beautiful. Very, very, very clean. I was not trading live last week, but I am pretty much. I'm always here from Monday till Thursday, but sometimes I take weeks or days off if I don't feel like doing the stream. Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm gonna start selling a little bit here. Damn. Selling one more. Holding one. If I can get to 0, that will make my day. But I think I'm being like, I'm asking for too much. Yeah, Meta's looking beautiful. It's looking pretty good. Look at Google. Look, Google was the trade today. I think my mistake today was on the first, especially on the first trade, was trying to go against the bigger trend. The overall trend is extremely bullish. So why would I go against it? How much I'm up today? I'm up a lot. I don't think that matters. I don't like I'm gonna say this, like, I'm 100% honest. I know I use my P&L for like my YouTube videos, but I don't like being 100k up or 50k up or like $10 up. Doesn't matter. What matters is if the setup that I took was good or not. Like, I'm most likely I'm gonna end, like, at least with futures, I'm gonna end either flat or maybe like $20 up or maybe $100 down. Doesn't matter. What matters is were my trades good or not. Am I learning anything from my mistakes? Like I said, my mistake today was trying to go against the overall trend, which is something that I preach all the time. I always say how important it is to be patient and follow the trend. So what was the play today? The play was just waiting for any clear pullbacks, any clear levels on a pullback, and then just play the upside continuation. But also it's very difficult to do that when we have new all-time highs, right? Also, we have like early morning, the market moved pretty weird. I'm not saying this because I'm red, but it's just how the market moved today. I'm only holding this last one because I like what Nvidia is doing, and we know Nvidia has been moving the market a lot lately. So I'm not like here trying to YOLO this last one. I'm watching Nvidia, and Nvidia is looking pretty bullish. And Google looks like it wants to retest all-time high. And Nvidia looks like it wants to test 964, 965. Look at this move here. This was perfection. This was the entry here. And I missed this entry. This was the entry. So this level on the Q was like yesterday high. Pretty much went under, gave you a very strong bounce here, held previous day high, and then just boom. SPY was a little bit more tricky. But the Q on this hold here, these two candlesticks were the entry point. Nvidia needs to break 956. It's fighting there. And I want to see Microsoft holding the VWAP. If I see Microsoft under the VWAP and I see Nvidia getting weak, I'm getting out of this one. And I really need to go and pee. Come on, Microsoft, hold there. Maybe we get this. AMD. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot about AMD even though I had it on my watch list. Yeah, the entry was here. This 162 level. That was the entry. Too late. Meta starting to look kind of weak. I think if Nvidia and Microsoft keep holding the VWAP, I'm gonna keep holding this last runner. Yeah, I need to pee. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I said Meta. I'm not looking at Meta to hold SPY. I'm looking at Microsoft and Nvidia. Apple not looking too good. Wait, I can't look anything else right now. I need to see this. What's going on here? But the levels that I have on AMD are posted on my Discord. I posted them pre-market. If Microsoft cannot hold the VWAP, I'm gonna get out of this one. The daily on Apple looks pretty bearish. Okay, I'm out. Not Adriana. Why everyone always calls me Adriana? It's Andrea. It's not a trade away, it's Apex. Yeah, of course, if you blow up your Apex account, you're gonna have to get a new one, and you don't need to do anything with the one that you blow up. They just get canceled at the end of the day. Okay, guys, I'm done with the stream. Might look to trade a little bit more later in the day if I see any good setups here, but yeah, so far mostly out of Google. That was beautiful, perfect trade. I'm still holding runners on Nvidia. I'm still holding Meta. You guys have my stop loss on Meta, and yeah, I might look for a scalp here and there with these SPY levels. This one. If I see an ugly 30-minute candle on the Q, I might look to play the downside. But yeah, I'm pretty much done. 200 down so far on these accounts. What else? Pretty happy with that last trade. That was very clean break and retest of this pre-market high. I'm pretty happy with Google. I like that Meta trade, even though it's looking weak. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, mañana. Remember to like the video. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate you guys. So see you mañana.